I will talk about how can you change your nickname on your My Home app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on profile down here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open video here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click on your name again here. Then you come here to nickname, you just click on it. So then here can you change your name here, and you click here on save. Then automatically it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.